Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here in Phemex. And if you want to take profit, the first thing that we're going to do is search right here for a symbol that we want to trade. So I think Bitcoin is fine as an example. Then we go to the right, and then we can decide right here if we want an open or a close order. Now I recommend you to do an open order where we click right here on market. Then we fill in right here the size, and we can do the size in USD or Bitcoin. You can decide for yourself which one you want to do. But I fill in right here $100. And then we go down because right here, this is the option that is very important because now we can enable the take profit right here. So we click right here on TP, and then we go right here to TP, and then we tell Phemex like, no, what's a nice amount? I think 75K. Like at 75K, the price will be triggered. And this means that when the price goes up to 75K, and right now the price is 66K, he will automatically close or trade and will take or profit. So when I'm away at work or whatever, he will automatically close or trade. So that is awesome. So I click now here on TP, that is fine. Then we do right here open long. And then you see right here a take profit on this target. And then if you do confirm right here, you will find here in the bottom or position with a take profit on 75K. So this is how you can create a take profit right here in Phemex. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.